Welcome back to our channel Tech Proby, and today video we are covering ChatGPT 3.5, which is a free version of ChatGPT. And if you haven't started yet, we will start in this video from the basic one. So first in the Google you have to search OpenAI. Once you will search OpenAI, you will get this link. You have to click over here, OpenAI. As of now you don't have any account, so you won't be able to log in directly. You have to click over here, try ChatGPT. Once you click over here, then you have to click on this sign up. Then there will be a multiple authentication options. As of now we are going with the continue with Google, but you can select as per your convenience the authentication options. So once I click over here, continue with Google, it will give me an option to select the Gmail account from which I have to create my ChatGPT account. So I will select my one of the Gmail account from here. It will automatically fetch my name from the Gmail account directly, and it will ask for the birth date. Then once I enter the birth date and continue, it will ask for some other information as well, and then I will continue with that one as well. So it will, once the process has been completed, it will directly take me to the ChatGPT interface. So we will directly jump into that ChatGPT interface and see how we can use ChatGPT. So I will go back and click over here, login, and continue with Google and select account. So as of now you can see, uh, so in this interface you are seeing there are two options, ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4. Because I have taken a subscription of ChatGPT 4, have a plan. So that's why I have a two options. But when you will create your account, you will only see one option, which is ChatGPT 3.5, which is a free version. So then we have one field which is for where you have to write your query, and then we have some suggestion as well. You can select the suggestions, it will give you some response according to that one. Then here is a slider, you can select over here. It will give you all the chats you have done earlier. Also you can start a new conversation, just click over here, new chat, it will start a new conversation, the fresh conversation. Then here you have your name, click over here, the hamburger, and here is my plan, custom instructions, settings. From settings you can select the theme, the dark, the light one, as per your convenience. As of now we are going with the dark one. This beta feature and data control comes under the advanced version of ChatGPT 4, which we will cover under the next video. In that video, we will cover all the advanced features of ChatGPT 4. As of now, we are only capturing the 3.5 version, which is a free version. So let's explore all the corners of free version, which is 3.5. And as of now we will explore some of the fields which are commonly used. Like as of now the developers use ChatGPT more. So if I'm a developer and I want to use ChatGPT as a fresher right now, so I will start from here only. Just a sample I am putting over here. So create a table of a student and give me five insert. It's a SQL command, database command. So let's see if ChatGPT is able to do so. So you can see ChatGPT has created a insert command over here, and also it has given us the table creation process as well. Then if I am a content creator and I want some suggestion from ChatGPT regarding my new video, which is my YouTube video name is how to use ChatGPT, please give me more SEO rich titles and description as well. So can ChatGPT help me in this one as well? Because this is a diverse field. This one is a developer related questions, now this is a content related questions. So let's see how ChatGPT can help in this one as well. So now you can see it's given us the title as well, the descriptions, and the key topics we will cover. As per the title, it also covered all the topics covered under it as well. So you can also use for the hashtag as well. So hashtags, So it will also give you the hashtag, because this AI is so smart. Even though you are not using the correct spellings, grammars, or whatever, it will understand your the meaning what you're trying to say. Even though just you use just basic you can say the words. Then we will go with the finance profession. Like if you are dealing with a finance problem related to finance related, but I'm taking a basic problem related to the salary package. If you have a salary package and you are dealing with a tax slab problem, and you don't know how much tax I have to pay as per the new regime. Basically there are two regimes, old regime and the new regime in the India. So can ChatGPT help us on that one as well? So let's paste this question. My salary package is 12 lakh. How much tax do I have to pay in India as per the new salary slab? Let's see how ChatGPT can help us in this one. So see, as per the new slab, ChatGPT has break down all the components and given us the how much tax I have to pay. So now if I take another question from the different field, which is a social media field, where I have to take a question like this one: what is the best website for free YouTube and video editing? So I will paste it over here. So it will give me all the software which are best for video editing. And so ChatGPT has given us all the softwares which we can use for editing as well. So now you have seen that we have covered multiple fields, and we have get a multiple information related to the multiple field as well. So if you want any specific information from ChatGPT, you can also get it. All you need is to understand how ChatGPT works, because ChatGPT has a vast level of knowledge. All you need to know is to how to use that, how to get your answer. And as of now you are a fresher, and you are using it for a first time. If you are using for a first time, you have to use the 3.5, which is a free version, and try to understand how ChatGPT works. Once you're able to understand it, and your work is complete, because I think the most of the work is totally completed with the 3.5 version only. But if your work is totally related to coding and you related to calculations and other stuff as well, and you need advanced features like analytic features and other feature as well, so you can move to the you can say advanced version of ChatGPT as well. But I think 3.5 version is sufficient for any of the user. Likewise, once you have done with all the conversation, you can copy your answers from here only. So all you need to do is go over here, click copy, and go to the notepad, and just paste your answer over here. So you can directly copy paste your answer as well. Likewise, and you can regenerate your answer as well. So it will regenerate your answer as well, and you can stop generating. You can stop the generation as well. Like your answer can be stopped at any time you want to, and restart your query by writing your query whatever you want to, and you can restart your new chat from any point. So thank you so much, and please like, share, and comment on this video. And also we are starting with a new video, which is ChatGPT 4, in which we will include all the advanced feature like default, which is already covered in the ChatGPT 3.5. Then we have browser with Bing, advanced data analytic, which is cover all the advanced features. Then we have plugins, and then we have beta version of this one as well. So stay tuned with this video as well. And once you complete with the 3.5 version of ChatGPT, you can go to the ChatGPT 4 version video and look into that one as well. So thank you so much.